Welcome to the plug-in ceiling fan universal mounting system. In this video, we'll show you how to install your ceiling fan using the mounting system. Here are the tools needed. Here's what comes in the box. First, remove the isolators from the ceiling fan bracket. Next, remove the bracket screws from the mounting system. Attach the fan bracket to the mounting system with the bracket screws. After that, use a stud finder to locate a stud in the ceiling. Cut out and attach the included template to the ceiling. Drill pilot holes through the marked template. Remove the template. Semi-tighten the screws and rotate the mounting system towards the outlet. Once rotated into position, fully tighten screws to secure the mounting system. After the mounting system is secured, trim the wires on your fan to the appropriate length. Attach your fan canopy and hang fan on ceiling bracket. To wire your fan, twist wire strands and insert them into its corresponding connector. Once completed with wiring, consult your fan's manual to complete the fan assembly. To secure the cord from the mounting system, install the drywall anchors along ceiling and wall, 1 foot apart. Attach the cable holders to the drywall anchors. Secure power cable into cable holders and plug in the mounting system. And that's it! Your fan is now installed using the plug-in ceiling fan universal mounting system.